Hi, this video for explanation and information of 40 to 50% of bypass making and app making. Okay, I will start. Okay. Okay, if we wanted to block anti-cheat, we can't block anti-cheat. If we want to try to block, we got 100% near ban and termination, so we don't need to block anti-cheat. Okay, we need only divert and forward anti-cheat. What is divert and forward? I will explain you with the example. Okay, just listen and watch. One second. Okay, okay, watch this. For example, this is a sorry. For example, this is our server server side. Okay, and and uh, this is our anti-cheat. Okay, and uh, and this box is client, just like user. Okay, for example, these are users. Okay, now I'm wait, I will text here. One second. Our PC is lagging with the recording. Okay, this is server. This is not correct font for explain. This is server. Okay, this is server, and here is anti-cheat. Okay, and this is client. These are clients. And this client. Okay, now how anti-cheat work, and what is the procedure to detect anti-ban, and what is the procedure to detect cheat, and any several time of hacks and data editing. So anti-cheat work like this. Anti-cheat, one second. Our BGMI anti-cheat anti-cheat is VAC. Okay, and VAC anti-cheat work with three language. Basically anti-cheat made by three languages, but anti-cheat total languages of anti-cheat is five languages. Anti-cheat. Okay, I think you know already of some languages, just like PHP and SQL. I think you know already about this. And another is C plus, oh, 1 second, C plus plus and C sharp. 1 second. Okay, I think you know also these languages how to work. These language work is data and commands sharing and importing. I basically these PHP and SQL work on work like IO, importing, exporting. You know already this, because if we send any if we work any anti-cheat, first so anti-cheat work like command, work on command from server. And when server command for anti-cheat take any action. After taking any action or on client, after action, anti-cheat this PHP and SQL reverse the details, is this work is done or not. Okay, oh, 1 second. Okay, now we need to learn some you can learn, and it is depend on you. You can learn and leave it, and leave some integers of C sharp and C plus plus. If you want to learn, you can watch any video from YouTube. Some integers and variables you can learn. If you want to learn, you can learn another leave. Okay, okay. Now I'm just like anti-cheat. Basically where is the anti-cheat in application? Okay, 1 second. Okay, anti-cheat is giving directly command to UE4. Anti-cheat don't know who is live and on, so who is live G cloud, who is live and alt. Anti don't know. Anti-cheat only known who is UE4. Anti-cheat know only UE4. Okay, first anti-cheat command to, just like this is UE4. Okay, anti-cheat command to, when anti-cheat command to leave UE4, if you after installing, when you install any game, and any game just like a BGMI and PUBG global, when you installed and install during installation, the VSA anti-cheat is installed. When you install BGMI official application, then already installed, first install automatically first install in backend, in backend first install BAC anti-cheat in backend with a hidden way. After installing VAC, automatically install BGMI. The BSc anti-cheat auto installed on process of installation of BGMI and PUBG. Anti-cheat no only UE4 live. Anti-cheat no. 1 second. Okay. Now anti-cheat command to UE4. When anti-cheat command, if you do, and first open you when you open game, then automatically anti-cheat connected with UE4. Okay, when you offline, then also connected with UE4. Okay, all time after installation, if you are root user, you can block connection with the anti-cheat to UE4 during offline. Okay, but if you are non-root, then you can't block this process, because anti-cheat work like this. 1 second. When you are offline, then this is your kernel. Okay, when you are, this is your kernel. When you this is process of online process. When you are online, then directly anti-cheat connect with UE4. But when you offline, then then the anti-cheat connect with UE4, sorry, then anti-cheat connect with kernel, and kernel connect to your application, like application, and total application work on live UE4. Okay, when you are offline, then during offline, the anti-cheat connect with kernel, and kernel connect to UE4. This is a backend process, and when you are online, this is direct process. Okay. Okay, now directly command to UE4. Okay, and anti-cheat, when you are do some unauthorized and unofficial work, like any, just like I am teaching you. Anti-cheat basically, anti-cheat, what is anti-cheat? Anti-cheat connected to your server data and your mobile, your application data, already connected with your application data and server data. Okay, just like the basic number of for example, the basic value of recoil, basic value is recoil. For example, 1 second, is 1.5. okay, this is example, and the basic value of recoil, when we any take any action, and if we change any value of recoil, another hex, like another, when after changing, after modding value of recoil is 0.5. 0.5. Okay, the anti-cheat directly detect the basic value of recoil is 1.5 when anti-cheat come to. And 1 second, 1 second, sorry for that. I was offline, and some family members visit to my home. Okay, leave it. Now we want to if we want to make anti-van, first we need to find UE4 connection. Okay, UE4 UE4 connected with lips. Okay, UE4 connected to all lips. This is UE4 is a manager lip. That's why UE4 is direct connected to anti-cheat. UE4 another lips don't UE4 don't detect directly to hex, because this is not a working lib. This is only manager lib. If we want to block anti-cheat, then if we make UE4 bypass. Okay, if we make UE4 bypass, then the anti-cheat is totally blocked. If we blocked anti-cheat 100%, then we get 10 year and offline. Okay. Okay, another your question is which lips is safe for making anti-van, right? Okay, is here my answer is I am putting some lips name. Basically anti-cheat all other lips is depend on IO only. This means it's importing and export, import and output. Okay, input and output. Okay, and if we want to wait, I will show you import and output. Basically IO CTL old and IO CTL. Okay, this is a main target for anti-van. These address are main target of anti-van, because these two are these two addresses are totally working for IO. Okay, input and output. If we make report data 3. Okay, if we made bypass on NOSTK free on bus and IOCTL, sorry, IOCTL not on resume, reverse sign kill, report data 2, report data 3. These are same addresses. Okay, watch. But we need to firstly we need to make bypass on NOSTK, IOCTL old. We start our course making with IOCTL and IOCTL old. First we select IOCTL old. This is 40% of 40% knowledge of this, because one video is not 100%. Okay, sorry, 1 second. Okay, another totally today I'm giving you some starting with the method, and another knowledge in second video another. Okay, this is a 40% only. another 60% in next video. Okay, first we select IOCTL. Don't select IOCTL old, only select IOCTL. Okay, double click on IOCTL. Okay, double click, first start, we check here CV570. This is a directory starting value of NOSDK old, sorry, NOSDK IOCTL. Basically we need to select here and jump to, sorry, here not showing another option. First need to graph view. When we select graph view, sorry, select graph view, double click here, double click on IOCTL. When need to find last value of last one, last here. हाँ हाँ कर ली, बता रहे वह. Okay, first we need to select and text view. Okay, when this is the last, we need to click on lock, lock. Okay, when you click on lock, we need to select jump. Okay, jump to address and okay. Sorry, this option not working this time. Okay, we need to go another one. We can select offset here, but this is working like a GG, because if we select this offset only, if we select this offset only, we auto select LOC. Okay, don't you can put, you can take offset from here. Okay, this is a offset method. Okay, this is offset method. First we need to go up. You can find with another way. I will show you another way. We need to select last one live, sorry, last one sub, and double click on here. When you double click on here, we can get offset from here. Okay, we can get offset from here. And if you want another more offset, because this is XT, this is XT text address, and this is text address. If we select from offset from here, then we need to select, if we select offset from here, then you can get it offline when. Okay, if we select offset from here in text format, we can get, we will get offline when. We need to double click on here, sorry, select here, 1 second. Okay, this is a totally working with, this is a totally, this is not a return of 0. If we return this return with 0, then you can get termination, sorry, you can get termination fix and online 10-year fix. Okay, we directly use, we need to check return value. This is a return value. If we select A1, okay, then if we select A1, then you will, one second. Okay, if we select A1, then you will go, you need to go in last one sub. Okay, 1 second, you need to go last one sub, because this return is 0, is the here return is 0. Okay, this is 1, this is already 1. If we select offset from here, then is not okay, 100% not okay, 100%. We need to go any sub and sorry, 1 second, this is not a good address for that. If we select this sub and produce code, okay, this is a jump out. Okay, jump out mean this sub going to another sub. Okay, if we want to make a good offset, we need to go last one. If we go to last one, click here, and you can put offset from here. You can get offset from here, like you can get offset from here, but this is not 100% fixed, because if you take offset from here, you can get crash. Okay, you need to go last one sub, you need to go in last one, totally last. Okay, if okay, this is a good sub, because because here return is nothing. Okay, here we get a new sub. Here we get a new sub, you can click on it, double click on it. We need to go last one sub and check here, any sub is here. Here is not any sub. Here you can check this all, you will get, and you will don't get any sub. You can take this offset. Okay, you can take this sub as a offset. Okay, just like that. And 0x 0x, you can use this offset in only two phases, just like patch lift, another one memory patch. Okay, you can use these type offset only in two structure, because if you are using in tool-based structure, you will get some crashes. Okay, then that's why I'm asking, 1 second. Huh? Okay, sorry. Now you can use this offset from uh, in only two type structure. Another one, this is normally number one offset. You need to go back. Okay, here is another sub. You will get another no one sub. You can use this sub, because I will teach you how can use this sub. If you use this sub only, as a offset, then you will get crash. Wait, I will teach you how to use this offset. Need to select 0x and control. Okay, if we want to use this offset, then you need to go down and select a1. Okay, if you select a1, then you will get this as a offset. Okay, you will get a offset. You need to use like this, and when you select a here and double click on here, sorry, 1 second. We need to go back. Return is v3. This return is v3. When we need to select a return v3, where is v3? You need to find v3. Okay, this is a return of v3. Okay, if we want to use this, you need to copy it. After copy, you need to go and double tap on it. When you double tap on it, 1 second, 30. when you double tap on it, when you get some sub, if you want to go another sub, you can click on here and go another sub, but we need to select another debug. Then you need to, when you select this, you need to copy it. You need to copy it, okay, and paste here. And we need to select another, then you can get this keyword, this type of keyword. And this is not taxables, okay, you can copy it. This is not giving crash, that's why we are using this ID Pro. And you need to select this, okay, and we need to go up and find v3. Where is v3? This is a v3. You can click and double 1 second, v3 x19, v3 unsigned in sustained, v3 is 19, x19. We need to go up x19 and double click, sorry, we need x19, work with it and click on here, okay. This is unsigned directly connected by, need to select here, sorry, black v3, and jump to produce code. When you go here, then copy it, complete p, sorry, 0x. I am totally confused to making this video, because I was make this video, and after making this video I was offline for 2 hours, because some family members uh, visit to my home, so I was busy on there. Okay, we need to go directly back to b3, and we need, this is why I am selected b3. This is a reason. We need to go last one and check the result. Return is v3, that's why I selected v3. Okay, now we go back, okay, now go back and another back. Okay, we need to select this sub. After selecting this sub, you will get another sub, because this is already connected libc. Okay, this is a system log and open log. This is a log file, we need to go and block it, but we can't go here. If we want to block this, then you need to closer and anyone, select anyone, like va start. The va start is a va and v1, okay. 1 second, about the double click on it, system log file, directly we go at system log file. This is already 0, freezed by 0, don't select it. If we get any selected any hex with 0, then don't select it, and go back, produce code, back, return is nothing. Then we need to go back, okay. I will try on it, return atomic load of, double click on it, when you get these two sub is written, and I will select it and double click on it, okay. This is a text format, we that's why we cannot put offset from here. We can select any other, when you select this one and jump to produce code. Okay, go up and check return. What is the return of this return result? Return result depend on it, because this is already dubbed by offset. Okay, if we want to use in this is already a1 white and keyword and dword, and in here is the result of this. We want to check the result. Wait, I will show you. Double click on it. When you double click on it, then you can get the directly view of this side. Dword is 0. Okay, wait, I will show you something. Okay, we need, if we want to check 1 second, this is a loading. So if you want to direct loading data, then you can check memcpy. Double click on it. Sorry, 1 second. Double click on here, and directly we get offset from here and from here. Okay, we can directly get offset from here. First I will take offset from here, copy. Okay, now I will select this one again and click on it. Now we this is that's what loading and loaded, and this is basically is output. Okay, we will load it, and now we are blocking output. Okay, you can get offset from this type. If you don't understand with this method, this is different method of this is a medium level of method. If that's why I'm teaching you some starting from basic. That's why I made this. Okay, next time, next video tomorrow is I will make a video at tomorrow, and I will this is a 40% knowledge, and I will teach you in next video how to live work, and which live going for exporting, mainly going for exporting, and which live is going for scanning our data and our values. Okay, another one I will make another video on that question. I will make here. What is the next video? Next video concepts. This is not proper video. This video is not a proper video because some issues I will told you. And next video concept is how live, connect, and connect to our kernel, and how to scan our live, and last one how to get, how can block sorry, how can freeze output. Okay, this is mainly three questions for next video. If we know very well how to block output, this is a very important topic. If we block output, then we can make more anti-when. Okay, if we make this type offset, this type hook, and this type anti-when, then you will don't get any online ban. Okay, next video I will make on uh, for online or any type of online ban, how to fix all type online ban. Okay, tomorrow I will fix your all type online ban. Okay, now video is over.